In today's video, I'm going to teach you integrate Klaviyo with Shopify. By the end, you'll have Klaviyo connected to your Shopify store, a polished sign-up form ready to capture email and SMS, and a pop-up that behaves the way you want across devices. First, install the Klaviyo app from the Shopify App Store. Open your Shopify admin, head to the App Store, search for Klaviyo, and install. When prompted, grant the necessary permissions so Klaviyo can sync your products, customers, and events. Next, switch to your Klaviyo account. Go to the integration section, search for Shopify, and follow the prompts to connect your store. Be sure the option to automatically add Klaviyo on-site JavaScript is checked. This injects the tracking and form code into your theme automatically, so you don't have to paste any snippets. If you use a heavily customized theme, plan to test after setup to ensure everything loads correctly. Now, let's create your sign-up form. In Klaviyo, open the Sign Up Forms area and click Create Sign-up Form. You can choose a pre-designed template like the multi-step email and SMS template, which is great for collecting both channels with clear consent. Or start from scratch if you prefer total control. Give your form a clear descriptive name so you can find it later. Then select the list or lists where new email and SMS subscribers should be added. Keeping email and SMS organized at this stage will make segmenting and automations easier. While you're in the editor, adjust the copy, colors, and images to match your brand, and ensure your SMS consent language meets your region's requirements. Configure when and how the pop-up should appear. Open targeting and behaviors. To use exit intent, set timing to when a visitor is exiting the page, which helps capture abandoning visitors without interrupting engaged browsing. Under frequency, choose how often to show it again. A good starting point is 5 days after closing, and check Don't Show Again after submit form so subscribers don't keep seeing it. Select the devices to show the form on, and choose Don't Show to existing Klaviyo profiles to avoid annoying repeat visitors. Preview on both desktop and mobile to confirm the design is readable and the fields are easy to tap. When you're happy, click Publish. Visit your Shopify storefront and test the live pop-up. Try entering an email and a phone number to confirm both opt-ins work. Then check your Klaviyo lists to ensure the new profile appears correctly. If a welcome flow is set up, verify it triggers as expected. If you don't see the pop-up, clear your cache or try an incognito window. You're all set to start growing your list with Klaviyo and Shopify.